Good morning and welcome to my very messy room. Yes, I like to be real with you guys, and this is actually how my room is looking like. I'm doing a project right now, and oh my gosh, my cat is disgusting. But yeah, this is how my room is looking like. It is disgusting. It is embarrassing. Okay, can you be quiet? I'm filming. Okay, good morning. Like literally, there's 2 socks right there. That's not even matching. Yes, this is how my room is looking like. I've been doing a project for like 2 months, and yeah, my room is just a mess, and it's just embarrassing. But I love to be real with you guys, and yep, there's my cat again.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Raina's dad, and I have just started trying to become a vegan, and so this is one of the smoothies that I sort of created on with what we have here. So I'm going to make it for you. You can follow me along. These are my frozen bananas. I buy my bananas by the case, and then I peel them and I freeze them. So I can get a case for about $10, so you save a lot of money. An apple. I know I have this bad habit of cutting towards my fingers. I know it looks like I'm going to cut my fingers off, but actually this knife is not as sharp as it looks, so I think I'm going to be okay. My smoothie is a pretty simple smoothie. But it's got some stuff in it that you probably haven't put in your smoothie before, that I found by accident, and it works really good. And that is almonds. Who puts almonds in their smoothie? I do. You put about half a cup of almonds. That gives it a really nice texture. Then of course, for my strength, I put my spinach and flaxseed.
Can we pass on the cranberries?
You know what? I ran out of cranberries.
Yeah.
I normally put cranberries, but I ran out of cranberries, so I don't have cranberries. But what I am going to put is a little bit of lemon juice. I normally put chia, but I don't see any chia seeds in here. All right, then just add water, regular water, and then that's about it for my basic morning smoothie. This is what I have for breakfast every morning, and I just kind of pulse it a little bit, and then. Okay, and this should make enough for about 3 people. Nice and thick. Oh yeah. And that's it.
Nice.
Perfect amount for 3 people. And there you go. There you have it. That's make a little mess, but nothing I can't clean up. That's the one thing good about it. If you make a mess with vegan stuff, it's not like meat where there's bacteria and there's all kinds of stuff on the counters. You know, vegan eating is it's very clean and healthy for the environment and for your body. That's what I love about it. Okay, so I'm gonna pass these off to my good friends, and this is Matt. This is Matt, and this is Linda. She has her own cup, and she keeps her cup at my house.
Yay!
All right, cheers, everybody. Cheers.
Yay!
Cheers to health.
Guys, I got a new phone. Finally, because I broke my other one. Oh, I'm so happy. Hey guys, so I haven't shown my face like today at all, but I just wanted to talk or like tell you guys that I wasn't like planning on showing myself, because I was like, I'm like really breaking out right now. I have my period and my face is just pissing me off. It's like I get regular breakouts, but when I get my period, it really it just breaks out, and it can be very frustrating. And then, you know, it's really embarrassing because a lot of people think that I'm breaking out because of veganism and because I don't take care of my face and because I don't wash my face, but I do all of that. It's just I just break out, and it's very frustrating for me, and it really brings my self-esteem and self-confidence down. And it can be really hard at times, but I mean, you know, I just told myself, you know what, I'm beautiful. I know that I'm beautiful. And also I just realized that this morning I just showed you my messy room. So I was like, and I told you guys that I was gonna be real with you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna be real with you guys. I am breaking out like crazy. Like, look at my face, it's disgusting. But right now my mom and I are at the I'm Japanese, I cannot pronounce words. I'm gonna insert it down here somewhere. We're at the blank mall and we're gonna take some Instagram pictures because we both need to be active on our account, especially me. But yeah, so we're gonna do that right now and I'll see you guys later. Bye. So we just finished taking the pictures, and if you guys want to check them out, just go down to the description below and go to our Instagram. I'll link it down there. Okay, bye. Now it's playing, okay? This has a record button.
Okay. Say who you are.
Okay, my name's Reina. But they know who I am.
Just say, this is Reina again.
Okay, this is Reina
Come on.
again.
Do it again.
Okay, this is Reina again. And this is our grocery haul. So we got some silk milk. We prefer almond milk, but this is the only one they have. We got the original and then the vanilla flavor. We also got spinach because my dad loves making his smoothies in the morning, as well as apples to go with it. We got lettuce, onions, spaghetti sauce because we still have some spaghetti left. We got peanut butter and jelly. We also have this because my mom wants to make some sushi. I don't know how to say this in English though. We have this, and we also have vegan salami or veggie salami. This actually exists. I never tried it before, so I'm excited to try that. And we also have bell peppers for my salads, tofu, tortillas. We have more spaghetti. Our favorite bread, the Dave's bread. This is like very, very healthy, so you guys should try it out. And we have some garbanzo beans and kidney beans. And lastly, we bought a bunch of kale for our smoothie. And that's all.
I'm hungry just watching you.
You can make your smoothie now.
Okay.
Okay, that's all.